Things to see and do in Can Tho, Vietnam. Rise early to explore Cai Rang Floating Market, where vibrant boats sell fresh fruits, coffee, and local delicacies. It's a cultural spectacle and a must-see. Grab a boat tour to navigate this bustling waterborne marketplace like a true local. The iconic Ninh Keo Wharf offers breathtaking views of the Hao River. Capture the charm of traditional Vietnamese boats and explore the night market nearby for unique souvenirs and delicious street food. Don't miss the beautiful illuminated pedestrian bridge at sunset. Take a peaceful journey to Bang Lang Stork Sanctuary, where thousands of birds nest amid lush greenery. It's a serene escape and an ideal spot for nature lovers and photographers to enjoy Can Tho's rich biodiversity up close. Hop on a traditional sampan boat for a relaxing ride through Can Tho's quiet canals. The lush scenery and glimpses of local rural life create a magical experience that will stay with you forever. Make Can Tho your next travel destination. Share this video with fellow explorers and start packing your bags for an unforgettable adventure in Vietnam's Mekong Delta. Don't forget to hit like, follow, and let us know your dream stops in Can Tho.